Oh, you're down on your uppers. I said you need new boots. Oh, you're down on your uppers. I said you need new boots. Well, you listen to your mother. Oh, I said you're down on your uppers. I remember when I was a boy, I didn't need no fancy toys. I just wanted to explore, go out into the great outdoors, over ditches and on the trees, through a million fields of green, till the evening shadows fall, when I would hear my mama call. Oh, you're down on your uppers. I said you need new boots. Have you got no others that you can fit into? Ah, Derek King, they're the rest I see. They're needing more than a bit of a clean. Will you listen to your mother? Oh, I said you're down on your uppers. Hey! Now as I walk these city streets, I'm moving to a country beat. Gray hills and flashing lights, they surround the day and night. But I know when I'm feeling low, where my heart longs to go, to where the evening shadows fall, and I can hear my mama call. Oh, you're down on your uppers. I said you need new boots. Have you got no others that you can fit into? Ah, Derek King, they're the West I see. They're needing more than a bit of a clean. Will you listen to your mother? Oh, I said you're down on your uppers. Hey! I said you need new boots. Have you got no others that you can fit into? Ah, Derek Ian, they're the worst I see. They need more than a bit of a clean. Will you listen to your mother? Oh, you're down on your uppers. Yeah, I said you're down on your uppers. Oh, you need new boots. Have you got no others that you can fit into? Ah, Derek King, they're the worst I see. They need more than a bit of a clean. Will you listen to your mother? Oh, I said you're down on your uppers. Hey! I'll come in for your supper, 'cause you're down on your uppers.
This dance is called Down on Your Uppers. This is a full walk, 32 count, beginner level line dance, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. Weight is on both feet, 7, 8. You're going to swivel both heels to the right, swivel both heels back to the centre. Take the weight onto the left foot. Right heel forward, hook right heel across left. Step forward on the right, touch left next to right. Step back on the left, touch right next to left. Step the right foot to the right side, cross left behind right, step the right foot to the right side, touch left next to right. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross right behind left, make a quarter turn left on your left foot, brush right foot forward, now facing 9 o'clock. Right rocking chair, rock forward on the right, recover left, rock back on the right, recover left. right heel strut, left heel strut. Stomp the right foot slightly to the diagonal, swivel left heels in, swivel left toes in, swivel left heel in. Stomp your left foot to the left diagonal, swivel right heel in, swivel right toe in. Stomp your right next to the left to finish the dance, ready to start your next wall. The dance with the counts. Weights on both feet. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. Thank you for watching.